Okay, from the normal sort of core program benefits tracking, we also then can go in and take a look at some of these benefits from Power BI's perspective. Again, you can create any sort of Power BI report you're looking for as far as that goes. And in here, as is the case with the others, you can select which work groups that you're interested in. You'll see here that it only shows the work groups that I have benefits for. If I had all of the different program work streams reporting benefits, I would see them there. Same goes for reporting level, status here. And as is the case with all Power BI, if you just wanted to see certain types, then you can really drill down on all of these as you go. And then again, you can look for the dollar figure or the FTE. So what am I seeing here? I'm seeing the overall aggregate targets here in terms of the number of benefits, and then the open benefits. So I've got one that's been closed. I've received all the benefits I'm going to so far on that one. 6 that are already, are ongoing. We've got an aggregate target of 2.03 thousand, an aggregate realized of 841. And then you can go in and check out what the individual work streams are doing. So for example, in this case, I can roll it up to just say I want to see finance and risk, or I can drill it down to see, well, I want to see operational risk and accounting, and this one didn't get a proper sub work stream categorization. So again, very powerful to be able to bring it up a level or bring it down a level. Pretty standard Power BI functionality. Same goes here. Benefits by status and type. Okay, these are just cost savings, risk mitigation, so forth. But if I want to drill down a little bit deeper, I can go deeper and I can go higher. So if I go in, I've got my status here as 5 of them are open, 1 of them is closed, and 1 of them is deferred. So I get to see sort of a couple of different dimensions here. And then down here on the dollar benefits, it's going to give me the actual benefits. So again, like before, the finance has different ones, different individual benefits. I can see those in detail here. I can track by hovering over. It's going to show me the exact numbers, the exact description, and so forth. And then if I wanted to, I can always move up and down here. So if I just go into finance, I just want to see all of finance, all of risks. Very quick, very easy, very simple. So hopefully this gives you some ideas as to the kind of reporting that you can do on your benefits. As is the case with all of these things, it's all in real time. So when the changes are made in the regular kind of weekly reporting, these all automatically show up. So you've got real time, transparent reporting of how you're tracking on benefits.